Say hi. Good morning, everyone, from beautiful Alabama. Here today, I'm actually going to shoot two videos. So we got the Habu, it's fixed. So me and Jeff are going to do the buddy box system and try to learn how to fly that thing. But that'll be a second video, so stay tuned for that. But today, I'm going to take the turbo timber out, and then we got the Apprentice sitting there. And try to have a little fun before Jeff shows up. Look, it's 50 degrees here, right? Look, we are bundled up because we are cold. I saw Tug Hill RC, he's out there flying in the snow. I was like, dude, I don't know how you handling that. Oh, it's too cold for me. I don't know how you guys up north handle flying that cold. It's like 50, and I think this is about the coldest I want to be out. So let's go fly. Whoa. Oh shit. That's why I'm in safe mode. Something's wrong. Look, I gotta have elevator all the way down for this thing to fly. Oh man. Oh, you know, I didn't throttle it up before I left, so. Oh wow. Man, that is fast. Crap. I guess let's see if this does better this time. All right. No, it's still wanting to. For some reason. And I can't get any more trim in there. Wow. Yeah, I better just land this thing and let Jeff look at it. Holy crap, man. Look, it's down there wanting to land by itself. Look, I got full elevator down. Yeah, something's wrong, man. Something's way wrong with this. Oh, maybe it's the goat. Maybe it's this camera just upsetting it. Huh. I bet you that could be it. I bet you it's just creating drag on it. Try it one more time. I didn't even think about the camera being on there. Oh, there it goes. Ah, now she's, yeah, it just didn't like the camera. Ah. Jeez, it's hard to believe that that little bit made the plane act that crazy. Wow. Okay, well, lesson learned. Look, it just like hovers. Let's come by low and slow. Look at this thing. Look at how slow. That's awesome. All right, flaps up. Let's give it some power. Okay, yeah. I don't even know why I didn't think it was the camera causing that issue. Oh, man. All right, so now that we have like a calm day, and I got some altitude, some good stuff, Let's kick it out of safe mode, see what happens. Okay, it's mine. Oh, woo! Okay. What, are those going down? I thought she was going down. Alright, we're going to come in for a no flaps landing. Let's practice that. Should be fine. This thing's pretty slow as it is. Oh, yes! Nice. Alright, I think we'll take the Apprentice up next. Alright, we got the Apprentice ready to go. Should be a good flight. And I got the little camera up there. Hopefully it doesn't bother it. Whoa. I think it might be. I was full elevator back and it would not take off. I hope that front wheel's not tweaked. Sure as look like it. Damn it. Oh yeah, and I lost my camera. Well, I'm gonna try to take off with that gear broke. I don't know if it's gonna work with that. Nope. Damn it. Man, my first takeoffs are not doing good today. So the little pin, the clevis or whatever you call it, that hooks the servo popped off. The little pin in there is not in the best shape, but I'm gonna try to roll with it for now. I do have an extra one in the car if need be, so. Let's come down. Man, I really do like this plane. It's just a shame it's I don't really feel like I could fly this near my house. That ball field is just a little tight. Yeah, it actually turns pretty. Let me see, so if I... There we go, I think we got that. It looks like it's a little straighter now. You know, when you got the controls into the dual rate, when you have it on high, this thing actually turns pretty good. I think it's the first time I've tried doing that. Because, yeah, I could just totally turn around within the confines of this field. I'll tell you, this is the plane that almost broke me of the hobby. All the stuff about how it was like a really good trainer and all that, which it is, I guess, but it's big. I feel like the other ones are a little easier to fly, maybe. No, I don't know. This thing's pretty easy now. But in the beginning, yeah, I just couldn't stop bouncing off of stuff. It was hard to land. But, you know, coming out here with Jeff's really helped. Wow. I gotta turn that off. It's something like, if I throttle past a certain point, it makes that little beep noise. Oh no, that's my, there's the warning for the battery, which is 5 minutes, but, I still got plenty of battery. Still got plenty. So it should be a good day for some jet flying. Unlike the first time I was out here, it was so windy. If you watch that video, every plane I brought in when it was coming for landing did like that. It just rocked really, really hard. It's a good plane. I love it. I love it. It's nice too, because you get older, man. The small planes are hard to see. But this one, yeah, she's doing good. All the glue that's holding it together. I know I should be doing some landings, but with that clevis pin or whatever kind of being in a weak state, I don't want to push my luck. I mean, like I said, I do have one here, but I really don't feel like messing with it right now. Yeah, so it's almost as well, I stall's pretty slow, but this is pretty slow too. That's cool. Well, you give aileron and rudder, boy, it scrubs that speed quick. Good thing this is a pretty powerful plane. You got plenty of power to react quickly. Watch. Alrighty. think I still got plenty of battery, but my back's kind of bothering me, so I'm gonna sit down for a little bit, get some coffee. See if we bring it in. I might be a little high on this one. Ha ha, nice. I'll take it.
Stop.
Yeah, the wind picked up, so I don't know if we're gonna do the Habu today, but we got the old Aeroscout out. Have some fun with it. Practicing some gusty landings. Whoa, man, this is good.
Start.
See again.
Time remaining.
And pushed around quite a bit.
Timer stop. Timer start.
Jeez Louise.
Timer stop. Timer start.
Whoa, 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 where are you going?
Ooh, I almost grabbed it. I almost grabbed it.
Yeah, just kind of.
Say the winds will be stronger down there. Past that open spot, as you discovered.
Yeah, try to slow down a little bit to make that turn.
It's not very forgiving.
Ah, I was getting freaking man. I was getting his ass kicked down there.
Yeah,
They was like
you
freaking.
gotta watch those turns because the wind's gonna be stronger coming right through those gap right there.
Yeah, it's like I started turning for that leg. Man, it just freaking.
It's stronger down there. Even when it's coming from the south, it's stronger. You get past those trees there. I try to let them
Time
fly
remaining.
out.
4.
I don't really want to try another Apprentice or another Aeroscout this year.
Yeah. I just rebuilt.
Yeah, that bank limit's really always nice.
Looked on my thermometer, 62 already, or something like that.
Yeah, I saw like 60 something a day, and it's supposed to be a little cooler tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh well, I just don't want to get those 80 days, and then the cold fronts come through, and the tornadoes and the storms.
Yeah.
Timer start.
You know, like a 8-lane road compared to a 2-lane road, you know. But they all lie about their C ratings. I mean, they do. But usually on a higher CPAC, all the wires are thick, even the wires that
Timer start.
you know, because when this outer surface is larger, it can carry more electrons.
Oh, okay.
It
Time
doesn't mean you
remaining,
have
2
more
minutes.
power in the plane. It just there you go. There you go. Now you're flying it to the ground.
Yeah, so sorry, no Habu. There won't be a Habu video. We didn't take it up today. It's just really windy. I had a hard enough time trying to get the Aeroscout down. Early in the morning would have been perfect. There was no breeze, but it's just a nice, steady, whipping wind today. And then the corners over here it was really pushing the Aeroscout. So gonna play it safe and let the Habu live to fly another day. So we'll get back out here and we'll get a flight in with it before long. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Thank you for the support. Hope to see you on the next one.